Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the reason why the auto snapping on CapCut PC suddenly off or turn off. So if you usually use the auto snapping but then one day you cannot find that blue line, that auto snapping feature suddenly off, it might be because you accidentally turn off it by clicking on a certain key or shortcut that you didn't know about, that it will turn off the auto snapping. So what you need to do here to find the auto snapping, what you need to do is just go to the above of the timeline in here and go to the right side. There will be this little button right here. So this is where the auto snapping is. So as you guys can see here, that the shortcut of auto snapping is only the letter N on your keyboard. So you might be accidentally clicking on it on your keyboard and it will turn off the auto snapping. So what you need to do to turn it off, again, you can use the keyboard, the shortcut N on your keyboard, or you can just directly click on it just like that. And after that, here the blue line will appear again. So this is where the auto snapping is. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.